After all samples for your calibration are complete, we need to review the data. We have 3 samples for each calibrator. I do not see any error messages. So at this point, I'm going to back out to main menu. I'm going to go to Accept Calibration. Press Calibration Review. Here is all the reading that is on my printout. First calibrator, second calibrator, and so on. You may only store 1 calibration per lot number of an analyte, and only 2 lot numbers of an analyte. So I can have this lot of TSH and a second lot of TSH. So if there's any more than that, I have to delete them to make a slot to place this one in. And this is what it's telling you here at this point. To omit data and make decisions and so on. I'm going to use the highlight keys to review. I want to calculate, and it draws my curve for me. Okay, so I will press accept, and it's telling me I have an error message because it already has a calibration in there. So what I need to do at this point is to back out and go to Calibration Review and find my TSH using my arrows page down. This is lot 72. Lot 72. Let's go down one more. Okay, I got several in here. Okay, for TSH, I have 1 dash, 1 with a slash, and 1 with the P. P is for pending. So I want to go back up to the other 72 and delete. And it always asks you a second time, is this what you want to do? Yes, I want to delete it. Calibration Review. Back to TSH. Now here is today's calibration. It's pending because it's awaiting me to accept it. Cal Review. Here's the current calibration. I want to calculate. Here's my curve. Now I want to accept. And because I removed the other 72 lot, it now has a place to store it. It prints out all your data along with your graph with status of accept. And that P will now be an A for accept. So let's just go back to Calibrate Review. And here it is. Now it has an A because it's been accepted. I want to exit. At this point, assay monitor, I need to run controls to verify that this calibration is where we want it to be. I've previously pipetted 2 levels of controls with 1 sample size and 1 dead volume for a total of 200 microliters. Now I need to go to the main menu. I want to assay, sample ID, position 1, modify, ABC, Q, C, go to mode numbers, 1, QC1, okay, and drop down to the next sample position, modify, I want the alphabet, Q, C, modify to numbers, 3, okay, exit, and I'm ready to start. You do not have to tell what your test is because it reads the test code and lot number on the sample cups. Once these come off, we will go to our QC section of our log and set up a QC tally sheet with the specific ranges given in the package insert for this control material. And we will make an indication that it was a new calibration. And the calibration for this curve then will be acceptable, ready for use. Okay.